Praise to Tārā with 21 Verses of Homage and their benefits, translated by Samye translations under the patronage and supervision of 84,000, translating the words of the Buddha. Homage to the honored, noble Lady Tārā. Homage to Tārā, swift and gallant, whose glance is instantaneous like lightning. You arose from the heart of the blossoming lotus, that is the face of the Lord of the three worlds. Homage to you, whose face resembles 100 autumn full moons gathered. Your brilliant radiance blazes like 1,000 clusters of stars. Homage to you, whose hand is graced by a golden blue lotus flower. You embody generosity, diligence, endurance, serenity, patience, and concentration. Homage to you, whose triumphs are endless, jewel on the Tathagata's crown. You are well attended to by the heirs of the victors, who have mastered all the perfections. Homage to Tuttārā, who with hum fulfills all wishes to the bounds of space. You trample the 7 worlds underfoot, and possess the strength to summon all. Homage to you, praised by Chakra, Agni, Brahma, Maruts, and Shiva. The hosts of Bhutas, Vitalas, Gandharvas, and Yakshas pay tribute to you. Homage to you, who with Trat and Pat crush the magical devices of other traditions. With your right leg bent and your left leg extended, you shine amid flames blazing wildly. Homage to Turā, the fearsome lady, destroyer of the most powerful demons. With your lotus face and stern frown, you are the slayer of each and every foe. Homage to you, whose fingers grace your heart, displaying the mudra of the 3 jewels. Graced by wheels in all directions, your natural radiance overwhelms all. Homage to you, supremely joyous, your splendorous crown spreading garlands of light. Tuttārā, smiling and laughing, you bring demons and worlds within your control. Homage to you, who can summon the hosts of earthly guardians, knitting your quivering brows with the symbol Hum you deliver from every misfortune. Homage to you, so brightly adorned, with a sliver of moon as your crown, your locks always graced by Amitabha, whose bright light streams forever forth. Homage to you, seated amid blazing flames that resemble the fire that ends an eon. Immersed in joy, your right leg extends and the left is bent. Thus you crush legions of foes. Homage to you, who on the earth's surface strike your palms and stamp your feet. The hum that is formed by your frown smashes the 7 netherworlds to nothing but dust. Homage to you, blissful, gracious, and tranquil, whose domain is the peace of nirvana. In perfect union with Svaha and Om, you lay to waste every terrible evil. Homage to you, who immersed in rapture shatter the bodies of all foes. You shine with the knowledge syllable Hum, as your mantra's 10 syllables are set forth. Homage to Turā, your feet stomping, formed from the seed of the syllable Hum. The mountains of Meru, Mandara, and Vidya, and all the 3 worlds, you cause them to quake. Homage to you, who hold in your hand a deer-marked moon like a divine lake, with Tārā uttered twice, and then with Pat. You eliminate all poisons. Homage to you, sovereign of divine hosts, served by gods and kinnaras. Your resplendence and armor of joy pacifies strife and clears away nightmares. Homage to you, whose 2 eyes shine brightly, like the sun and the moon when it's full. Tuttārā with twice uttered hara, You pacify the most intractable ills. Homage to you who have the power to pacify. You display the three true natures. Turā, Supreme Lady, you destroy the hordes of grahas, vitalas, and yakshas. This praise by means of the root mantra, the 21 verses of homage, should be recited by the wise, who are filled with devotion for the goddess. Recalling it at dusk and also when rising at dawn will grant them freedom from every fear. It will pacify all misdeeds and destroy all evil destinies. Soon they will receive empowerment from 70 million conquerors. Beyond this they shall attain greatness and proceed to the ultimate state of Buddhahood. If they recall this praise, all dreadful poisons, whether natural or manufactured, whether eaten or imbibed, will be utterly neutralized. This will dispel the heap of suffering inflicted by grahas, infectious diseases, and poisons, even in other beings. If chanted twice, thrice, or 7 times, those who want children will come to have them. Those who seek wealth will come to have that. Each and every wish will be fulfilled, and obstacles, entirely vanquished, will be no more. This completes the praise to the Blessed Tārā as spoken by the completely perfect Buddha.